Check it out. I'm driving through Washoe Valley in northern Nevada between Carson City and Reno. And it looks like we got dang near whiteout conditions. Oh, somebody lost it. Can't make it any further. But yeah, look at that. It's like whiteout conditions, man. There's my fellow Subaru Crosstrek brother out here. That's what I got. But yeah, this is nuts. And I'm about to go up over into the pass, over the Galena Bridge. That's gonna be nuts. Let's see if I make it. Looks like that guy is slipping. Dude, you don't have any snow tires, dude. What are you doing? You don't go through the mountain pass without snow tires?